Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change shop name on Redbubble. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Redbubble, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you, changing your shop name on Redbubble is a very straightforward and easy process. Now, sometimes artists or sellers may want to rebrand their shop to better align with their current artistic style, target audience, or overall business identity, because a new shop name can help create a fresh brand image. For you to be able to change your shop name, just hover to the upper right corner where it says account and go to the account settings. Once you do that, I just need you to hover to the very bottom where you can see that says copyright name. Basically, this is going to be your shop name as well. So it's up to you if you wanted to maybe change it or just simply put it back. If you want it, it's up to you. All right, it's entirely up to you. After that, all you're going to do is click on Save Changes. Now, let me tell you that if you encounter any problems changing your shop name here in Redbubble, you have on the bottom right corner the chat bot. You might want to give them a questions and hit enter and to see if we get an answer from the chat bot. All right. After that, if it's not helpful, if you're having problems changing your shop name, you might want to go to the mobile device and open the Redbubble from there. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is log into your account on the Redbubble app. All right, let me do that by clicking on the bottom right corner and click on login. Now you see, once you are here, all you have to do is go to the bottom right where it says your profile, click on it. Now, once you hover down, you see there's no option for you to change your shop name here on the mobile device. So you need to go to the redbubble.com on the website for you to be able to change your shop name. Otherwise, you're only given the limited support on going to the customer service, which is where you can give them basically questions or an email on how to change your name here or change your shop name here. There's the chat bot here. Let's see if you can get an answer. All right, we will see if we get an answer from the all right, and after getting an answer, I believe that's that. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.